Hey my busy bees, how y'all doing? Good morning. Welcome to another video. If you've been here before, welcome back. So we are at one of Kamari's classmates' house. Kids are swimming. The sun is not really out, but they doing their thing. So today's video will be the second part of reset. So when I leave here, we probably get something to eat or something, and then when I go home, I'll start cleaning, and I also need to do my son's hair today. So I will tap back in with y'all. Bye.
Oh my god, I screamed my toenail. I screamed my toenail. I screamed my toenail.
Your toenail got cut. Stop, Shine. Don't do that.
Right. I feel like Deku.
Cheyenne, what did I just say? Don't do that. He can't even open his eyes. Shine, you better be careful walking backwards. Why you stop? Come on. I know, that's crazy.
Then the other one is one, right?
Hey y'all, so it's hours later. I'm about to start my son here. Yeah. I'm about to start my son here.
Como subir a capela, suave que la noche espera. Te encendí como vela y te apago cuando quiera. Diga hasta la noche como pantera. Ella coge el plan y lo desmantela. No es de Puerto Rico y me dice mera. Tranquila yo pago, guarda tu cartera. For real, Medellín, que lo sí que tenga que pedir.
This right here. This is for the days I didn't think I'd make it. For the nights I cried and kept quiet. For the mornings I showed up anyway. I got life in me, and baby it shows. I got my ish together. I'm breaking these chains. Walking in purpose. No room for shame. I got life in me, and I wear it proud. Head held high. I don't blend with the crowd. I can't ask for more. I got everything I need. Peace in my soul. Favor on me. I can't hide what's coming. It's already mine. It's my life and I love it every single time. Used to dim my light just to make them feel safe. Now I shine on purpose.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It is the next day, and I'm about to finally get to this other side of my house. So I'm gonna sweep this hallway, mop, wipe down the walls a little bit. My son's room, I need to sweep and mop because I kind of did a wipe down yesterday because I just couldn't take it no more. So I'm gonna just record, you know, me cleaning. I'm not gonna do any talking. But I will tap in, I guess, to let y'all know what's going on. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Bye.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a babe, you a beast. You make it easy to choose. You got a mean touch, I can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, let them on tomorrow. That's how I feel, act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% percentage. Attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect fitted. Perfect.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them, that's the goddess in me. You put her at a bad bitch, knock a middle. Help you with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back. And that's the sound, I mean I'm calling you back. Why I'm in great till they gotta be great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo breaths get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the ball lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first needed something more exciting. You tried to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with you. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put the sting, getting single. Ain't worried about a ring on my finger. So you can tell your friend, shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in my DM. Why I'm in great till they gotta be great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo breaths get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the ball lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first needed something more exciting. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, chop in it. We don't with lies, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing like aye, aye, aye. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, chop in it. We don't with lies, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it even when I'm crying crazy. Yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them, that's the goddess in me. You coulda had a bad knock a middle. Help you with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you holding me back. And that's the sound, I mean I'm calling you back. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the ball lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first needed something more exciting. You tried to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart. That you thought you ever had it, no you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with you. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put the sting in single, ain't worried about a ring on my finger, so you can tell your friend. Shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in my DM. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the ball lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first needed something more exciting. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, chop in it. We don't with lies, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing like aye, aye, aye. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, chop in it. We don't with lies, we don't do goodbyes. We just keep it pushing like aye, aye, aye. Wild men great till they gotta be great. Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the ball lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. True first needed something more exciting.
This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Dive bar on the east side, where you at? Phone lights at my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet me in the back. Dark jeans and your Nikes, look at you. Oh damn, never seen that color blue. Just think of the fun things we could do. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it chill that you're in my head? Cause I know that it's delicate. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it too soon to do this yet? Cause I know that it's delicate. Delicate. Third floor on the west side, me and you. Handsome, you're a mansion with a view. Do the girls back home touch you like I do? Long night with your hands up in my hair. Echoes of your footsteps on the stairs. Stay here, honey, I don't wanna share. This ain't for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. We can't make any promises now, can we, babe? But you can make me a dream. Is it cool that I said all that? Is it chill that you're in my head? Cause I know that it's delicate.
Hey my busy bees, how y'all doing? It is a little bit later after I cleaned this bathroom. I just got out the shower. I have to make a run. This is on my Amazon storefront. I can't show y'all the full thing because I got body yada 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 yada. But click the link in my bio for the Amazon storefront. You'll see this tank top. I guess I'll clip it and show y'all the back. $9.99. But this video will come out on a Saturday. But it's actually a Sunday reset. It is what it is. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend about Busy Ree. And I will see y'all later. Bye.